Today we're going to cover some new enhancements we've made to the work instruction area. Here we have a line balance here, where obviously we can drag the work around to improve our process. And when ready to produce the work instructions, we hit the right mouse button and we go to the Send to Work Instructions option here. And what is new here is you can see the area down here where you can send the information out to HTML. This is if you wanted to to publish the information to a browser, so it could be viewed by anyone, anywhere in the world. So what we're going to do here now, we'll cover that in the next video. We're going to look at the work instructions to Excel again. We click on the Browse. We can create a new folder here, and we'll just call it Instructions. And we can go in there, and perhaps under there we create another folder which would represent the part number. So I'll just call it part 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Imagine that was the part number we're going to be dealing with. I'd recommend that you use the folder name be the same as the part number, and then within that you notice up here in the background currently the process is called part production, and now we want to call it part 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll just type part 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and we click on the open here. That will put it in here, and it's going to create the part 1, 2, 3, 4. We click on the OK. It will instantly change the from part production. It will change it to the part 1, 2, 3, 4, and now you'll see it starting to build the process right here. So notice up at the top here, it's part 1, 2, 3, 4 dash TP. That means Timer Pro is controlling this, and this is revision 1. And now it's actually poured everything in. You can see it's create one tab for each of the stations in this particular process, right? And if we can see, we can tab through it here. You can see the different steps of the process being documented. Remember, you customize the header and the left-hand side to anything that's appropriate for your particular organization. So if I close out of this now, it's called revision 1. If I come back over here, you can see that it's actually renamed this part 1, 2, 3, 4 Timer Pro revision 1, and it's put it into the part 1, 2, 3 folder. So it's keeping it in one area for you to make everything easy. Let's say we decide we're going to move things around here to improve it again. So we're made a change here. We can hit the right button, send to work instructions, click on the browse. Or remember where you were last. You click on revision 1, click on the open, click on the OK. It will instantly make a revision 2 and start updating the process for you here. So it's extremely easy now to start building new work instructions. Just create a new folder, give it a name. I'd recommend using the same name as the folder, and then everything will be poured in here. And now since we're on to revision 2, it's actually going to create a change sheet for us at the end. And here's the TP changed, Timer Pro changed. It says element moved from insert components to above 3 parts. So again, we're updating the revision history for you automatically here. So that's a new feature of the Timer Pro in the work instructions, automatically creating new folders and naming it appropriately in the work instruction area.